Before we learn how to reset the Archicad settings, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to get all our latest updates. Let's get started.
Now, the Archicad tip of the week today is how to reset the Archicad settings. So there's a couple of ways to reset the Archicad settings. First is simply when you start up a new project. When you start a new project and you select File New, you can choose from a profile list, as you can see down below. So as I was showing you below, you may have your custom profile, such as ABC Company Profile. You may have or one of the defaults in Archicad is the architectural, the MVP, productivity, or structural. So when I create a new project and it comes up with a new project option, I typically just go new, but I can also select a specific profile, which will reset the way that my work environment looks. You can also go to the work environment to do this as well by going to the options menu, going down to work environment. Down below, you'll see apply profile right below work environment, and that you can also access. So if Archicad's already open and you forgot to set your profile when you start it up, then you can go to your options menu, go to apply profile, and simply select from the profile list there. You can also reset Archicad back to its custom out-of-the-box factory settings. How do you do that? Well, what you do is hold down the Option key on the Mac or the Alt key on Windows, and when you do that, and you go to the File menu, it will change from just File New to New and Reset All. This is a really great trick that I've had numerous clients use when they've gotten their settings completely out of whack and something's off and we can't figure out what's going on. And so the best way to kind of reset everything is just go New and Reset All. And the beautiful thing about it is even if you do that, if you have a work environment custom work environment saved, then once you've done that New and Reset All, and then you go back to the work environment, it's going to reset that back to your custom work environment. But this is a great way for you to be able to reset it back to the factory settings in case you've kind of gotten things out of whack and you need to kind of reset. And that is our tip of the week. Let's get into Archicad.